In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on any file type in Google Drive, including Google Docs, images, videos, and PDFs. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your files. Once you're inside Google Drive, select the file you want to comment on. Let's start with PDF files. Double-click the PDF to open it in preview mode. If you're able to highlight text, simply click and drag over the text you want to comment on. On the right side, you'll see a comment icon appear. Click it. Type your comment in the box, then click comment to post it. If the PDF doesn't allow text highlighting, use the add comment icon in the top right corner, then click and drag your mouse over the specific area of the document you want to highlight. After that, type your comment in the box and click comment. Now for videos. Double-click the video file to open it in preview mode. In the top right corner, click the add comment icon, type your message, and if you want to notify someone, type the @ symbol followed by their email address, then click comment to save it. For images, the process is very similar to PDFs. Open the image in preview mode, click the add comment icon in the top right corner, then click and drag over the area you want to highlight, enter your comment and click comment. Now let's move on to Google Docs. Double-click the document to open it, highlight the text you want to comment on, then click the comment icon that appears on the right side. Type your comment and click comment to post it. You can also use a shortcut to speed things up. After highlighting the text, press Ctrl plus Alt plus M on your keyboard and the comment box will appear automatically. If you're working on a shared file, the process is the same. Open the shared file, highlight the text, click the comment icon, and type your comment. The other person will be able to see your comment and respond directly. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.